Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can feel a little intimidating, but is super important for anyone in the crypto space. Taxes. Yes, let's talk about crypto taxes and try to make it as simple as possible. So, the big question, do you actually have to pay taxes on your cryptocurrency? The short answer is yes, most likely. In many countries, including the United States, tax authorities like the IRS view cryptocurrency not as currency, but as property. This is a key distinction. Think of it like stocks, bonds, or even real estate. When you sell property for a profit, you owe taxes on that gain. The same logic applies to crypto. This means that almost every transaction you make could be a taxable event. Let's break down what that means. A taxable event happens when you dispose of your crypto. This isn't just selling your Bitcoin for US dollars. It also includes trading one cryptocurrency for another, say swapping your Ethereum for some Solana. That's a taxable event. And yes, even using your crypto to buy goods or services, like that pizza you bought with Dogecoin, counts as a taxable event. You're technically selling your crypto in exchange for the pizza. So, how is the tax calculated? It's based on something called capital gains. A capital gain is the difference between the price you bought your crypto for, which is your cost basis, and the price you sold or exchanged it for. If you bought one Ethereum for $1,000 and later sold it for $3,000, you have a $2,000 capital gain. That's the amount you'll be taxed on. Now, what if you sold it for less than you paid? That's a capital loss. The good news is that you can often use capital losses to offset your capital gains, which can lower your overall tax bill. Let's consider the holding period. This is another crucial factor. If you hold your crypto for more than a year before selling, it's considered a long-term capital gain, which is typically taxed at a lower rate. If you hold it for a year or less, it's a short-term capital gain, and this is usually taxed at your regular income tax rate, which can be significantly higher. So, hodling isn't just a meme. It can have real tax advantages. What about activities like mining, staking, or receiving crypto as payment? That's generally treated as income. You'd owe income tax on the fair market value of the crypto at the moment you received it. For example, if you earned 0.1 ETH from staking and its value was $300 at that time, you'd report $300 as income. This $300 also becomes the cost basis for that 0.1 ETH if you sell it later. I know, this can sound like a lot to track. Every trade, every purchase, every reward. This is why keeping detailed records is absolutely essential. You need to know the date of each transaction, the type of crypto, the amount and its value in your local currency at the time of the transaction. Thankfully, there are many great crypto tax software tools out there that can help. They can connect to your exchanges and wallets to automatically pull this data and generate the reports you need for your tax filings. Now, this is a general overview, and tax laws can be complex and vary by country and even by state or province. They are also constantly evolving as regulators catch up with this new technology. What I've shared is for educational purposes and is not financial or legal advice. It's incredibly important to consult with a qualified tax professional who understands cryptocurrency in your specific jurisdiction. They can provide personalized advice based on your situation and ensure you're compliant. Getting your crypto taxes right is crucial. It gives you peace of mind and helps you avoid potential penalties or audits down the road. Stay informed, keep good records, and don't be afraid to seek professional help. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this cleared things up a bit. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you navigate the world of crypto. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. See you in the next video.